What are you doing, Mel?
I'm starting introduction to this video upside down to appeal to us Australian audience. Can I get down now? So now I've actually got some blood running back through my brain, it's probably a good idea to explain why we're hanging upside down with some lagers in my hand. This is Rob and Emma all the way from Australia. They're from Triggs Garage, which are one of our dealers, and they're going to be fitting all these parts to the owner of Bright Tank Brewery, which is why we've got plenty of beers. But in the meantime, let's have a look what parts we've got and what they're going to be fitting. So we'll start with the Bilsteins. We've got a lift kit here, front struts and rear dampers. We've got the Super Pro anti-roll bars, we've got Super Pro bushers, we've got the diff drop, which is recommended when you're doing the lift kit. Performance intercooler, water meth kit, we've got the 390mm 6-pot brake upgrade, downpipes, 2872 turbo. In a box somewhere we've got a metering valve, pressure sensor, gaskets, all the other stuff that you need to fit this. And basically this is good for 400 horsepower. So we've done plenty of 400 horsepower Amarok builds in the UK, and to be fair, we have supplied these same mods to customers all over the world. But this time we're hoping, obviously the guys at Triggs are here, we're going to do a little bit of a collaboration video and they're going to continue this in Australia. So they've seen the parts, they've seen the dispatch unit, we're going to give them a quick tour around the rest of the facilities now, have a look at a few customers' Amaroks we've got in here, and then it's going to be a race between who can get this order packed up, sent out, and arrive in Australia quicker than they can actually get back themselves on a plane. So I'm not sure which is going to arrive first. Hopefully, if it is the order, there's someone else at their unit that can take delivery. Otherwise, that might be a little bit of a situation. But yeah, the rest of the video after this is going to be in their capable hands, in their workshop, in Australia. Everything's going to be getting fitted, and then hopefully we should have a nice, pretty sick looking Amarok 400 horsepower. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. Right, want us doing one. unfortunately, for the end of this video, I'm not stood in Australia, which would be nice because this current weather in England is absolutely terrible. So we thought we'd end with a vehicle that we've fetched from Australia to the UK. So this is for the people that are not subscribed to the channel, that haven't seen what other projects we've got going off at the minute. But this is a single cab Amarok, and as far as we're aware, this is currently the only one in the UK. As I just mentioned, this was imported from Australia probably 2, 3 maybe years ago now. It's been quite a long going project. It's started life as a 2-litre TFSI model. Again, I don't think we ever got that particular engine variation in the UK in this shape, but if you come this way, Adam, this is the best bit. So what started life as a 2-litre TFSI is now a 6-litre V12 diesel engine that specifically only came in the Audi Q7. Over the last few months, we've made quite a bit of progress on this. As you can see, the engine is now fully mounted in there. We're still working on the running gear. It's got a manual gearbox down the back. That's the same as what gets fitted to like 1,000 horsepower plus American muscle cars. We're aiming for similar figures from this. It'd be nice, 800, 1,000 horsepower. I think it's going to start spinning the world backwards. It's going to have that much torque. But yeah, just thought we'd end this Amarok video with another Amarok project that we got from Australia that's now here, rather than the parts that we sent from the UK to Australia to an Australian Amarok. Hopefully that all makes sense. If you want to see more on the V12 Amarok project, make sure you subscribe to his channel. Hopefully you like this video as well. If you did, click the like button, and as I said already, subscribe.